then you are okay. Yeah. So apart from you doing the pizza, please, the little words I will tell my fellow viewers, my subscribers, especially if you have a YouTube channel, please be careful how you delete your videos. Oh, I'm doing pizza. Miss TikTok girl, good morning. Please, how are you doing? We are doing pizza this year. This is our sauce. Are you done? You finished your live streaming, restreaming. Today the watermelon is so attractive. So attractive. Oh, you are tired. I saw in the evening you will do again. I can see you are tired, but you have done well. Oh. You have really done well. 5,000 views. Wow. No, 50,000 or 5,000. Oh, you've done well. Oh. You've done well. Miss TikTok girl, do a video and talk about restream. Do a video, like do a special video, not about you doing live streaming, then you are talking about restream. So advise people, if they are not getting views like me, talk about something, a story, like not story, some experience, because you have done and it has helped you. So do a short video, not when you do live streaming or you do, no, special video, and talk about restream, like your experience, because a lot of people fear me myself. So talk about it so that anyone who join, because now you have 5,000 or 50,000 views. Fantastic. Yeah, you've done well, and people to watch your restream. People watch. It's interesting that people, so if you want to go and watch Miss TikTok girl channel, go, and she's going to talk about how she started the restream and how it has helped her. So if you are ready, you go there, she will do that for you. Then you listen, because at this point of time, if you don't add restream, you are not going to get the fast watch hour. Yes, you are not going to get it. Yeah, so anywhere you see someone is doing restream, follow the person. Follow the person. The person, if you ask the person a question, the person will respond to you and give you tips. There is no way you ask someone who did restream, the person will not give you advice. Yes. So if you really need watch hour, please do your research. Look for people who are doing, ask them a question under their a video, because restreams normally you will not get fast reply. Yeah, when someone is doing restream and you go and write comments there, you will not get fast reply. So the best is go to the person channel, write a comment that are not go and write emoji, no, comment, sorry to use comment that makes sense. Yeah, sorry I use this word. The person will the person will reply you, and the person can also follow you. Yeah. So I'm adding my tomato sauce here.